Good morning, dear students. We have done till question number 10 in our last class. Today we will start from question number 11. In the figure given below, ABC and DCB are two right-angled triangles in which angle ABC is 90 degree, angle DCB is 90 degree, angle DBC is 30 degree, and AC is perpendicular to BD. If DC is 3 root 3 centimeter, find the length of AB. So here diagram is given and this angle is given 90. This is also 90. This angle is 30 degree and CD is 3 root 3 centimeter. Now you have to find AB. So in this triangle, okay, we have here two right angle triangles. This one ABC and BCD. Again we have one more three right angle triangle AMB also. Okay, so here we have three right angle triangles. So first we have to find AB, right? To find AB lies in this right angle triangle, so we need to find this base first. No, if we can find base, then we can find this perpendicular. So to find this AB, our first step is we have to consider this triangle. In this triangle, we have the value of perpendicular and we know the value of theta. So we can easily find base. So we will use this triangle to find base BC. So in triangle DCB, we will use tan because perpendicular is given. We need base. So turns permanently black. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Turns permanently black is equal to 1 by root 3. Perpendicular is CD. Base is BC. CD by BC is equal to 1 by root 3. CD is given 3 root 3. BC we have to find is equal to 1 by root 3. Cross multiplication 3 root 3 into root 3 is equal to BC into 1 BC. Now 3 root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 3s are 9. So this BC is 9 centimeter. Now see, we have to find AB, right? So to find AB we got base, but we don't know the value of theta. We don't know this angle is how much. We need to find this. No, to find AB this is necessary. We need this. So to find this angle we will use this triangle. Okay, this triangle. See here, this side is 90, then this side is also 90 degree. We know angle on a straight line is 180 degree. One side is 90, another side will be 90 degree. Now if you consider this triangle, this is 30 degree, this is 90. We can easily find the third angle because we know the total angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So here we will consider triangle MCB. Okay, so we'll consider this triangle MCB. Angle M plus angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Angle M is 90 plus angle C plus angle B is 30 is equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 30 is 120 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 120, 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. Now for this triangle, this is the value of theta. Now we can find this perpendicular whose base is given. Not given, we got base. So we will consider that triangle. In triangle ABC we have to use tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. Turns permanently black is equal to root 3. Perpendicular is AB. Base is BC is equal to root 3. AB by BC is 9 is equal to root 3. So AB is equal to 9 into root 3, 9 root 3 centimeter. This is the value of AB. Now question number 12. In the figure given below, angle EBD is equal to 30 degree. EBD, this is 30 degree. Angle EAC is 60 degree. EAC 60 degree. And CE is equal to 60 meter. This is 60 meter. Find the length of AB. You have to find this length. Okay, so what we will do, again here we have two right angle triangles. One is ECA, another is EDB. So first what we will do, we will take this greater triangle and we will find this base. So in triangle ECA, tan 60 degree turns permanently black. Tan 60 is root 3. perpendicular is EC, base is AC. Root 3. CE is given 60 by AC is equal to root 3. So AC into root 3 into AC is equal to 60. Now to find AC, 60 will be divided by root 3. Then 60 root 3. Now root is in the denominator, so we have to rationalize. To rationalize, you have to multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. So 60 root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 20s are 60. So 20 root 3 meter. Now if this AC is 20 root 3, this is also 20 root 3. Because they are equal, AC is equal to BD. So now we will use this triangle and we will find this perpendicular. Okay. So again in triangle EDB, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Turns permanently black is equal to 1 by root 3. Now perpendicular is ED and base is BD. So ED by BD is equal to 1 by root 3. ED divided by BD is 20 root 3 is equal to 1 by root 3. Cross multiply. Root 3 into ED is equal to 20 root 3 into 1. Now root 3 will divide. Root 3 cancel. 20. Now this is 20 meter. Okay. Now this total is 60 and this is 20. Then this one will be 40 meter. This is 60, this is 20, this half will be 40. Now CD and AB are equal. See this diagram properly. CD and AB are equal. Now if CD is 40 meter, then AB is also 40 meter. Now here to find CD, you have to do CE minus ED. 60 minus 20, 40. Now we know AB is equal to CD. So the value of AB is also 40 meter.